Hello everyone and ciao mga be. So for today's ulam, let's go and cook this Filipino food spicy beef Bicol Express. So this is our ingredients. So meron tayong bitelo di carpaccio, onion, garlic, coconut milk and chili. And of course magic sarap. So first we need to put our butter. So ayan, i-melt lang natin siya. And then next, saute our garlic. Kasunod, ilagay na rin natin ang ating onion and put some olive oil. Then next, i-ready na rin natin ang ating bitelo di carpaccio, ang ating beef meat. Be you watching me while I'm cooking. Then next mga be, ihulog na natin ang ating beef or ang ating bitelo carpaccio, cut into small pieces. And then saute it well. And then cover it in 5 minutes. Next, ilagay na natin ang ating gata or coconut milk, some garlic powder, black pepper, and of course, our ating magic sarap, pampasarap ng ating lutuin. Simmer in 5 minutes. Then now put our hot spicy chili, pampasarap at pampagana ng ating Bicol Express. I added also some celery. So optional lang to mga be. Mix it well and leave it for 1 minute. Really smells so good. It's almost ready na ang ating creamy Bicol Express Filipino style. So ihanda na natin ang ating rice. Let's eat mga be. So thank you guys for watching and bon appetito. Ciao!